cheese pizza and butter chicken. I've been seeing this trend going around on the net, and so I gotta give it a try. That is a combination I never thought would have worked. Let's go for a second dunk. Wow. What you gotta do here is pretend like this is your naan bread or naan and get butter chicken and dip it in. This one is from Domino's and this one is from Gazebo. This one's gonna be messy. Let's get some chicken in there. Oh man. This tastes so much better with the chicken. Give it a try and let me know what you guys think. Yo, Yelda, this is insane.